Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a DIY. It's really simple and it's super cool, and I figured I would give it a try and see if it worked, and it really works, and I'm super excited. So I wanted to share this with you. This is a practice hand DIY. I took my robotic practice hand that I had. I took all the screws out. I removed the this piece, and I removed this piece, which this actually is over this piece, but it can come off. You don't need to put it back on for what I'm doing. This here goes up into the clamp, which is right there, okay? So what I did was I took my Red Iguana practice hand, which is right here, and I took a drill and a drill bit that was smaller than the screw that is on here. It's not like a screw, it's like threads. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your drill bit and you're going to drill a hole in the back of the hand, right in the center. You don't want it too high or too low, because you're going to ruin your hand if you do. So put it right into the center. Make sure it's smaller than the threads that are on this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to screw the silicone hand into this, and it's going to be super tight because it's a smaller hole, but that's what you want. You don't want a bigger hole because then it's going to fall off. But as you can see, it's on there, just like with the flexi fingers. If you guys have a flexi finger, you know what I'm talking about. You can screw the flexi finger onto the holder. You know what I mean? Excuse me. You can screw the flexi finger and you can take it off, put it on, take it off. Well, I thought this was a great idea, and I actually think that one of the silicone hand people are doing these. I'm not sure, but I had a robotic practice hand and figured I'd give it a try, see if it worked. I mean, I'm not losing anything because you guys don't ever see the back of the hand anyways, so like if I messed up, it wasn't a big deal. But I did take my time, and I took a screw, an actual screw, and I screwed it into the hand. Now, I only went in about that far, about right here, and then I took the nail drill, or not the nail drill, I took the regular screwdriver with a drill bit, and we drilled it down into about here, and opened the hole a little bit bigger. Like I said, you don't want it too big, and then you just screw this into it, and then it's really tight. You can move it around. You can have it up off your desk. You know, you can unscrew it to take pictures. I thought it was a brilliant idea, and as you can see, that's my washer, guys. Sorry, but as you can see, it's on there, nice and neat. And yeah, I mean, I can unscrew it and show you guys, but I don't want to keep unscrewing, taking off, unscrew, you know, anyway. But, I mean, you can even take pictures of it like this. Like, you can put it all the way down, like so, and then take your picture, you know. But, yeah, I thought it was really cool because now I have the hand up off the ground, just like this one was. And I can actually get it in film better this way, instead of it being flat on the ground. It's so hard using these silicone hands when you're trying to paint and it's flat, you know, because you got to pick it up and you got to try to paint, try to do this, try to do that. It's so much easier when it's actually on something like this. So, I mean, I can turn it, I can, you know. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think. I thought it was a really cool DIY. Something very simple to do. You're not going to ruin your hand, guys. I promise. Just take your time when you're doing it. Okay? I know these are a lot of money, but... Sorry, that's a bug. I know these are, you know, a lot of money, but I think this would work perfect if any of you guys are interested. Also, don't forget I do have a video on making the wells deeper in the Red Iguana hand. I do have a video on that, because when you get the Red Iguana hand, her wells are not deep, and the tips don't go in, so they fall out when you're trying to file or buff or any of that. But yeah, and I've not had any issues. The only issue I had with this hand was when I glued on the tips. I even used her primer. I used her glue. And yeah, it screwed up my hand. Like, it screwed up the nail bed. Like, really bad. So, I wouldn't suggest gluing tips on these, guys. I just wouldn't. Would not do it. But anyway, that is my DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload next. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.